Hey guys, so it's a short video. The topic is install from media. Now, what is it? We usually call it IFM, and this is a backup technique, or you may say a backup feature, which takes backup of only 3 files from a server, which are Active Directory, the registry, and system volume. What do they have? Active Directory has all the user accounts, that is the username and password. Registry has all the records of the software and the hardware present in that particular server. And sysvol contains information of the domain. So these 3 files are very important. Without Active Directory, no user can log in into the domain. Without the registry, there would be no software or hardware running properly, and without the system volume, there would be no domain itself. So as these 3 files are very important, we learn how to back up these 3 files from a server. So the solution is IFM. Now, what are the advantages of using IFM? So as you can see, advantage number 1, backup taken from one server can be restored onto another server. So when you restore the backup on another server, this server becomes the replica of the first server. That means you can say the original server would be the primary server and the new server becomes the backup server. Advantages: you achieve redundancy. Let us assume if one server fails, still you have another server which can provide login to all the users, hence avoiding delay and downtime, thus avoiding loss. The second advantage is the process of taking backup using IFM is too quick. You may say it hardly takes 7 to 10 seconds to back up these 3 files. The third advantage, the size of the backup is so small, usually in MBs, that you can take this backup in a small USB stick or some external storage device. So since IFM provides these 3 advantages, it is important for the companies to use IFM in backing up important files of the servers. In the next video, you will practically see how to take IFM backup from a server. So for now, this is it. Thank you guys.